Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 4 will present about resistant development through conventional plant breeding, plant diseases resistant mechanics, and relationship between resistant and diseases resistant mechanics. Member of Group 4 consists of next. Yes. Member of Group 4 consists of Putri Ervitanori, 134-200, 176, Sabita Syakirah Imtinan, 134-200, 178, Putri Anggraini Salsabila, 134-200, 187, Nur Prihatiningsih, 134-200, 194, Oliatus Saadah Al-Habibah, 134-200, 196, Frida Shinta Megawati, 134-200, 205, Nur Aini, 134-200, 211. Next. Next.
A. Conventional plant breeding. Next. In conventional breeding, crossbreeding followed by a selection process is the most widely used technique in assembling superior cultivars. Base populations that have high genetic variation will give a good response to selection because high genetic variation will provide a great opportunity to get the right combination of crosses with a good combination of traits. Conventional plant breeding is usually the selection of the target characters is carried out on the basis of phenotypic or morphological selection, both individually and in plant populations. Next. The oldest and most commonly used characteristic is in plant descriptions are morphological and physiological properties. Example, stem shape, leaf shape, resistant to disease, and others. However, this type has a weakness, namely that its expression varies greatly with environmental conditions. As an example of the use of this type, namely selection based on appearance or phenotype has many shortcomings, one of which give inconsistent results. In addition to the inconsistent result, the time required is also relatively long. Next.
The mechanism of plant diseases resistance. Next. Plant resistant or resistant is a relative. Vertical resistance is found in varieties that have resistance to one or several rise of pathogen and are able to reduce the initial infective inoculum of the pathogen, thereby reducing the severity of the diseases. The nature of resistance possessed by plants can be an original trait, genetic factor, but can also be due to environmental conditions that encourage plants to be relatively resistant to pest attack. Next. Plant resistance distinguished into two groups. One, ecological resistance. Ecological resistance is not a real resistance and is called shoot resistant or shoot resistant because the nature of ecological resilience is not fixed and change easily depending on environmental conditions. 2. Genetic resistance. What is called a plant-resistant trait is genetic resistant because genetic resilience is relatively stable and slightly affected by environmental change. Next.
Genetic resistance. Plant resistance is a resistant trait that discovered by genetic trait that can be inherited. Morphological is resistant trait due to plant morphological properties that are unfavorable to pests or pathogen. And chemical resistance is resistant trait due to chemical substrate produced by plants. Based on the composition and nature, gen resistance can be divided into first monogenic, which is resistant trait regulated by dominant or resistant gen. Second, oligogenetic is a resistant trait regulated by several mutual reinforcing gens. Third, polygenic. Resistant is a resistant trait regulated by many gens that add to each other and each gens reach different result is broad spectrum resistant. Next. Genetic resistance distinguished into several types. First, vertical type, namely are very resistant but as easily broke because unsustainable. B, the emergence of new biotype or pathotype. Second, horizontal type are those that have a level resistant with the status of somehow resistant. Third, double or multiple type are mixture of several signs with their components. Each has the same pathogen, but different gens have resistance to several types of pests or pathogen.
C. Relationship between resistance mechanism and disease resistance. 1. Plant resistance and pathogen virulence. Plant resistance can be broken by the emergence of new pathogenic races caused by a mechanism of variation in fungi. Mutation. Mutation are changes that occur in genetic material, DNA and RNA, both at the gene sequence level, called point mutations, and at the chromosome level. Mutation at the chromosomal level are usually called aberrations. Hybridization. Gene recombination due to random mixing of parent fungal chromosomes and crossing over occurs during meiosis. Next. Heterokaryosis. The presence of two or more genetically different daughter cells within a single mycelial cell. fusion, homokaryotic decaying mutation. Parasexual recombination, recombination outside of the sexual cycle, because the parasexual cycle is the mechanism by which parasexuality transmits genetic material without going through meiosis and development of sexual structures.
Next. B. The mechanism of variation in bacteria according to Tjahjo-Laksono and Baranangsiang 2007 3R3, namely 1. Transformation. Transformation is the talking of DNA by bacteria from the surrounding environment. The DNA around the bacteria, foreign DNA, can be piece of DNA or DNA fragments from other bacterial cells or from other organisms. Conjugation. Conjugation is the transfer of DNA from one cell, donor cell, into another bacterial cell, recipient cell, through physical contact between the two cells. Next. Transduction. Transduction is a way of transferring DNA from one cell to other through the mediation of base. Next. C. Mechanism of variation. Variation in virus and nematodes. Virus, as they breed, they will make replies of themselves. When this replies is made, the virus often makes a mistake. This replica error is called a mutation, which is change in genetic material between a new virus and its parents. Mutation of the virus also does not necessarily mean it becomes more deadly, because the chance of the virus mutating to be more aggressive infection deadly from its mother is not high. Nematodes. Mutation may result in a discrete transformation of cell determinations at the Lynch point, or may be swept during progeny development. Genetic recombination in the process of breaking a piece of genetic material, usually DNA, but also RNA, which is followed by merging with other DNA molecule. Ginting, 2013.
Cross-pathogen and plant resistance, vertical and horizontal resistance. In general, the vertical resistance has the following characteristic, usually inherited by a single gene or only a small number of genes. Relatively easy to identify and widely used in genetic resistant environment programs, usually associated with the gene of gene hypothesis, produce a high level of genetic resistance. It is not uncommon to achieve immunity, but if a new biotype emerges, then this resistance will break easily, and usually the plant becomes very susceptible to that biotype, and usually delays the onset of an epidemic. But if an epidemic occurs, then the susceptibility will not be different from that of the cultivar vulnerable. Next. Horizontal resistance occurs when the host plant is equally effective against all pathogenic risks and has the ability to reduce epidemics after the development of the pathogen. This type of horizontal resistance is also known as quantitative resistance. Theoretically, horizontal resistance is effective for all biotypes of a pest. Therefore, this resistance is generally
difficult to break even though new biotypes with higher attack power emergence. Sunarmo, 1992.
Gene by gene and protein by protein hypothesis. Gene by gene, plant-resistant genes are matched by pathogen virulence genes. Protein for protein, the suitability of the pathogen protein with host protein, host enzyme in response to attack or entry of pathogen protein or copolymerization are used as nutrient by pathogen. The last one is conclusion. Based on the result of the discussion, it can be concluded that first, the development of resistance through conventional plant breeding is carried out to obtain good resistant genes. Second, the mechanism or forms of plant resistance to pathogen are active resistant, passive resistant, and functional resistant. And the last, the relationship between plant resistant and the pathogen, rest or virulence, is that plant resistance can be broken by the variation mechanism in fungi, bacteria, and virus, or the nematodes. Pathogen resist and resistant have vertical resistance and horizontal resistance.
Okay, thank you for your attention, mom and friends. If you have any question, please ask. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.